Okay, as you can see, I have the drain pan on by just one bolt because I kept dropping it. I kept dropping it because I was failing to put on the connector sleeve. So yeah, you will have the clip undone, which is going to be right here. Once the drain pan is off, you're going to pull it off. And this is how I was able to get the connector on. Here's now that's what the gap is like. As you can see, the gap is small between the end of the connector and the actual housing. There, where the markings are, that's where I was resting the crowbar. Now, the crowbar I rested against here as the pivot point, this very corner. And the crowbar I used looks like this. So this is how I was finally able to get the connector in. It looked like this. One second. Basically like that. And then as I forced, as I levered onto it, I was able to get the connector to slide in. Because previously, you would think the connector is close enough, you would take the drain pan off again, or if you already have it off anyway, you clip the thing in to secure it, and then it goes back out again. Or you put the connector on, you actually slide the connector on all the way, you secure it, and then it pops off on the top. And yeah, this clip still goes in. You can still push it in even if this is not all the way in. So yeah, this is how I was finally, after, I don't know, maybe an hour of messing with it, I was finally able to slide the connector all the way in. All right, good luck.